I wish to make it clear that the Waqifaat are not a minor or insignificant part of the Jamaat. In truth, every one of you is incredibly important and of immense values, as you are the women and girls who in this era have pledged to take up the mantle of practicing and propagating the true teachings of Islam. As such, the obligations and responsibilities you owe to your faith shall continue to rise over the course of your life like a towering wave. Together, as Waqifaat, you have the potential to profoundly shape the world around you and inspire generations to come. In years gone by, many of the Waqifaat whom I met were young children, and I addressed them according to their age and understanding. However, now, with Allah's grace, many of those same faces sit before me as adults. In fact, many of you are now married and have children of your own who are also part of the Waqifaat scheme. Where this is a manifestation of Allah's blessings, it should also direct the attention of every member of the Waqifaat scheme to reflect upon their duties. Understand that with each step you take towards maturity, your connection to your faith must also deepen and mature, and the weight of your responsibilities shall grow heavier. Indeed, all of you who are older, even those who have reached the age of 13 or 14, should reflect upon the true meanings and scope of your pledge. Ponder over the fact that your life was dedicated to the service of Ahmediyya by your parents, and that upon reaching an age of understanding and maturity, you have of your own volition embraced and reaffirmed that sacred commitment. Consequently, you must contemplate how you can honor your pledge.